Once upon a time, in a quiet forest where the trees whispered gentle lullabies, there lived a tiny bird named Lilo. Lilo couldn't fly yet, but every night, she would perch on her favorite branch and stare up at the sky, wondering what secrets the stars held. While other baby birds played during the day, Lilo felt the most alive when the world was asleep, and the moon was shining. One night, the moon was brighter than ever. It looked as if it had come closer just to speak with her. Lilo looked up and softly whispered, "Hello, moon. I feel a little sad tonight. I still can't fly, but I came to see you anyway." Just then, the moon's light shimmered gently. Lilo blinked. "Moon, was that? Did you answer me?" The moon seemed to smile. A soft voice drifted down from the sky. "Yes, little Lilo. I've listened to your whispers for many nights. Tonight, it's my turn to speak." Lilo's tiny heart fluttered. You heard me?" "Of course," said the moon. "Watching me every night, telling me your stories, that's a kind of love. And love carries light. I can feel yours." Lilo tilted her head. "Really?" The moon replied warmly. "Yes. And tonight, I'll share a secret with you." Lilo waited, eyes wide. Far away, hidden deep in the forest, there is something called the moonstone. It's small and glowing, and only those who truly believe can find it. If you do, you'll find the courage inside you to fly, not just with wings, but with heart. Can I really find it? Only if you truly try, little one. Look with your heart, not your eyes. The journey begins. The next morning, Lilo woke early. Other birds were chirping and fluttering around. When she told them she was going on a journey, they laughed. "You? But you can't even fly." Lilo just smiled. She didn't need wings to begin her journey. The moon's voice still echoed in her mind. Step by tiny step, she entered the forest. Leaves rustled, branches moved gently in the breeze. Then, a voice like wind whispered, "Little bird, why are you here?" Lilo stood tall and replied, "Because my heart wants to fly, even if my wings cannot." The wind grew quiet. The leaves parted to let her through. The wise owl. Further along, Lilo reached a calm, clear pond. There, on a low-hanging branch, sat an old white owl. "Where are you going, little bird?" the owl asked. "I'm looking for the moonstone," Lilo said. The owl blinked slowly. "You can only see it if your heart is open. Can you truly see with your heart?" Lilo hesitated, then nodded. "I'll try." The owl smiled. "Then keep going. You're closer than you think." The moonstone. At last, after walking all day, Lilo reached a small hill. The night had returned, and the moon was full again, just above her. There, nestled in the grass, was a soft glowing light. Tiny, but bright. Lilo's heart skipped a beat. "Is that it?" The moon answered gently. "Yes, Lilo. You found it. Because you didn't just wish, you believed." Lilo stepped closer. She touched the light with her beak. It felt warm, like a hug. The wind stirred softly, and the moon whispered, "Now, Try to fly." Lilo closed her eyes. She spread her small wings. And she rose. Not high, just enough. But it felt like soaring to the stars. After that night, Lilo didn't stop talking to the moon. She still wasn't the fastest or strongest flyer. But she had something more powerful. Belief in her own light. Sometimes, when children look up at the sky and see a little bird flying close to the moon, they ask, "Who is that?" And if you listen closely, you might hear a soft voice on the wind saying, "Even the smallest heart can shine in the sky." Good night.